Hello everyone, we are going to solve this problem. The problem is show the following implications without truth table. The problem is Q implies P and negation P implies R implies P and negation P and Q tautologically imply R implies Q. Now how are we gonna solve this? Firstly, here we can see that P and negation P. Here the value of this whole underlined part will be F by the negation law. Again here also P and negation P is given. So here also the value of the underlined part will be false. Let's write it here. For the next step, these are the two implications or three we can say. We have to convert them into and or form. So we know that what is the simplification of implication. Let's see. Implication A. The simple form of A implies B is negation A or B. So here this will be negation Q or F implies negation R or F and Q. Oh, here we forgot to write Q and here R implies Q. Now again we can use the identity law here. So this F and this F both are in OR, so we can remove all this by the identity law. So simplified term will be and Q tautologically implies R imply Q. Again here comes the implication. Now we also simplify this implication. Negation of negation Q will be Q or negation R and Q. Here remains R implies Q. Now we have done here simplification and this is the value we got. Now again using commutative law we can take this term out of the bracket and use bracket on these both terms or anything else. So what we will do now, Q and Q or negation R tautologically imply R implies Q. Now Q or negation OR is given. We can do absorption in this whole underlined part. What will be this value? Q. Instead of all of this we can write Q. Q tautologically implies R implies Q. Now this tautological implication is given here. Now we have to convert it according to the definition of implication. What it will be? Negation Q or R implies Q. Negation Q or, now again in this term we will use definition of implication, negation R or Q. We forgot to write this here. Again we can use associative law here. We will associate these two values and take this value out of the bracket. Now what will we get? Negation Q or Q or negation R. Now here we can see negation Q or Q is given. We can simplify it as true. Yes, the value will be true. True or negation R. As or is given here, we can neglect this negation R, value of this negation R. Whatever the truth value of negation R will be, as long as there is or and truth value T here, we can write it as T. So now we have converted all this big statement into T. Now let's write it here. As the truth value is true. Now what happens when truth value is true? We can show by this that tautological implication is proved. What will the tautological implication is proved means? It means that both the values of this statement and this statement will be same in the truth table. Now again let's recap what we have done here. We first simplified these implications into their simplified forms. Again we used the simplification over here. Again negation law is used here. Negation of negation Q will be Q. Now what we have done here, we have used commutative law. After using commutative law, we have used here absorption phenomenon. Means all this value will get converted into this value. After this, again we converted this implication into its simplified form. Again here we used the simplification of this negation or normal value. As we all know, negation of any given statement or the true statement will be true, and we got the truth value as true. So as the truth value is true, the tautological implication is proved.